was walking out of my ear, nose, and throat specialist office, and who do I see sitting in front of me, but down on his wife? Yes. Sat and chatted for about 10 minutes. He's holding his own. He's surviving. Okay. Yes.
Ron, question for you. Peter Hess,
he was here. He had to go home for a Zoom call. Families.
Yeah, that's the goal.
Yeah, that is the idea.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'll lend my truck if somebody's got a trailer.
So maybe I'll double check online tonight and see what the deal is. They normally have like a minimum 4 day events in the Midweek. Because they come from Florida, California. There's only, I think, 5 events a year.
Something.
Yeah. Didn't I see it?
No, you didn't see it, but I saw a local again. He was just starting in the idea of what a Coleman when he was going to get played up for him.
That's the district we work at. That's who I thought it was. He was there.
Yeah.
And
Watch got another 10 meter, 50 meter, I don't know. Lighting. Yeah, I was driving my Model A down the road and I saw this head just barely sticking up over the weeds. I said that to me that makes
yeah, flex innovation.
Yeah.
He's got the balsa one?
No, it's
Okay, yeah.
But he had maiden it and he was there trying to calm down because he said the thing was just way too responsive for
I'll have to
it.
drop in the line.
I said, well, you know, if it's an expo in, that kind of thing, he said,
I put the Blahnik up.
we call him Low Chair John because he sits in this beach chair, you know.
His ass is an inch off the
Yeah.
ground. He's just chilling.
But he looked good.
Did he? Oh, good.
Better than I've ever seen him.
Last time I saw him,
Because he had cancer. And, you know.
I didn't think he was long for the road. I put the Blahnik up today. Scale soaring. I put up for sale. I may need your assistance in putting another patch. You know how you did the yellow?
Yeah.
I think
Oh,
maybe.
so that it doesn't look like it's
Yeah.
yeah.
No, I said it's been.
Professionally, we can.
Did you read it?
No. Is that what you said?
By Master Fashion. Good indeed. But I want something that's a little. Like I know your plane couldn't haul that thing up. Not at 30 or 32 pounds. I want something maybe bigger than this. Yeah. A fort would be nice if it wasn't, that as big as that. So maybe he's got something light enough that.